Hello everyone and welcome to Everyday English Conversation. In today's video, we're going to join Lucy and Alex at the library. They're on a mission to find the perfect books, talk about their reading interests, and have a fun time discussing their latest picks. From mystery novels to history books, get ready for a lively conversation that will help you learn useful English phrases, vocabulary, and more, all while enjoying the world of books. So, grab your favorite book or beverage, and let's dive into today's bookish chat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. Let's get started.
Hey Alex, do you have your library card?
Yes, I've got it right here. Do you need it to check out books?
Yes, we can both borrow books today.
Great. What kind of books are you looking for?
I'm thinking of fiction, maybe a mystery novel.
That sounds fun. I want something educational, maybe a history book.
Good choice. History books are always interesting.
Yeah, I enjoy reading about past events.
I love reading thrillers, especially ones with lots of twists.
I like those too, but I usually get distracted and don't finish them.
Wow, there are so many books here. Where do we start?
Let's check the new arrivals.
Sounds good. Oh, look. There's a new book by my favorite author.
Yes, I'll get it. You keep looking for your history books. I found a book on World War II.
That's amazing. Do you want to borrow it?
Yes, but I want to learn more about the different battles.
That sounds like a great read.
I'm going to borrow this one.
Are you done?
Yes, I've picked my book. How about you?
I'm ready. I can't wait to start reading.
Me too. I always enjoy a good book.
Let's go check out our books.
Hi, how can I help you today?
Hi, we're here to check out these books.
Great. Do you both have your library cards?
Yes, we do.
I'll just scan them.
Do you prefer ebooks or physical books?
I prefer physical books. There's something special about holding a real book.
I agree. Plus, the smell of books is so nice.
Definitely, it's so much better than reading from a screen.
Your books are ready to go. That'll be all for today.
Yes, that's all. Thank you.
I'm excited to start reading my new book tonight.
Me too. I've been waiting for this new novel for months.
Do you usually read before bed?
Yes, it helps me relax. What about you?
Same here. A good book helps me fall asleep.
Should we grab a coffee before heading home?
Sure, that sounds like a good idea.
There's a nice cafe near the library.
Let's go there. We can talk about our books.
Great. I can't wait to tell you about the mystery novel I'm reading.
At the cafe?
What do you usually order at a cafe?
I love coffee, so I always get a cappuccino.
I'm more of a tea person. I'll get a green tea.
Green tea is so refreshing.
Yeah, it helps me stay focused while I read.
So tell me about your history book.
It's about the battles of World War II. The author gives a detailed account of each battle.
That sounds really interesting. Is it hard to read?
It's a bit challenging, but I enjoyed the challenge.
That's awesome. I love reading books that make me think. I love books with unexpected endings.
I like that too. It's always fun to be surprised.
Have you read anything by Agatha Christie?
Yes, I've read a couple of her books. She's a master of mystery.
Agreed. Her books are always so unpredictable.
I think I'll read another one of her novels soon.
If you like mysteries, you should try reading The Silent Patient.
I'll definitely check it out. What's it about?
It's about a woman who stops speaking after committing a crime.
That sounds intriguing. I'm adding it to my list.
You won't regret it. The plot twist is unbelievable.
This was a great conversation. Thanks for the book recommendations.
No problem. I always love talking about books.
Same here. It's fun to share our favorite books.
Let's make this a regular thing. Coffee and book talks.
Absolutely, I'm in.
I'm really looking forward to starting my new book.
Me too. I can't wait to dive into my history book.
Let's discuss our books next time we meet.
Sounds perfect.
All right, I'll see you soon, Alex.
Take care, Lucy.